I didn't tell anyone I was doing this. For 30 days, I used ChatGPT to build an income stream. No coding, no audience, no experience. And by the end of the month, it made $1,000. But the money wasn't the shocking part. What surprised me was how easy it felt. In this video, I'm not giving you theory. I'm showing you what I actually did, what worked, what failed, what nobody warns beginners about, and how you can copy the system. If you want to start YouTube using AI, this might save you months. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're overwhelmed. You open YouTube, you search how to make money with AI, and you get 10 AI tools, 50 side hustles. Make $10,000 this week. It feels noisy, fake, unreal. So you close the tab. But here's what nobody tells you. AI income isn't about tools, it's about leverage. And most beginners don't understand that word. I stopped asking, how do I make money with AI? And started asking, how can AI reduce my effort? That question changed everything. I built a small system. Phase 1, research. I asked ChatGPT, what are high CPM YouTube topics people search for weekly? It showed me patterns. AI tools, budgeting, online income, automation, not viral. Search-based, that's important, because search gives intent. Phase 2, content creation. ChatGPT wrote structured scripts. I refined them. 11 labs did the voice, clean, efficient. One video took 3-4 hours, not 12. I didn't try to be creative, I tried to be useful. Phase 3, monetization strategy. Beginners wait for AdSense. I didn't. From day one, I added affiliate links and resources. The first video got 300 views, second got 700, third crossed 5,000, not viral. Targeted, high intent. Let me be honest, some videos flopped. I almost quit. But AI does not replace consistency. That's the truth. AI adoption has exploded. Millions are curious, but confused. They want, show me what to do. If you become the bridge between confusion and clarity, you win. You need to document the journey. That's powerful. That first $1,000, it wasn't about money, it was proof. Proof I didn't need permission. Proof technology can work for you. It didn't feel stressful because AI removed friction. And when friction disappears, momentum begins. If you're serious, don't binge. Build. Subscribe. In the next video, I'm breaking down 10 AI tools. Are you watching AI happen, or are you going to use it? Because in 12 months, will you be ahead or catching up?